Welcome to your 1-hour English shadowing practice session. Today you will improve your fluency, pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Remember, do not pause the video. Do not translate. Just listen and speak at the same time. If you make a mistake, continue speaking. Fluency comes from flow, not perfection. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Relax your tongue. Now let's begin with simple warm-up sentences. I am ready to improve my English. I am confident when I speak. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Every day my English gets better. Practice makes me stronger. Repeat again. I am ready to improve my English. I am confident when I speak. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Every day my English gets better. Practice makes me stronger. Section 1. Daily routine practice. I wake up early in the morning. I start my day with a positive attitude. I drink a glass of water. I check my phone for messages. I prepare breakfast for myself. I like to begin my day calmly. Peaceful morning helps me focus. I organize my tasks for the day. I plan what I need to complete. After breakfast, I start working. Sometimes I work from home. Sometimes I go to the office. I try to stay productive. I avoid distractions. When I feel tired, I take a short break. I stretch my body. I drink some water. Then I return to my work. In the evening, I relax. I spend time with my family. I watch educational videos. I practice English for 30 minutes. Consistency is more important than intensity. Small progress every day leads to big results. Now repeat everything again with stronger voice. You can reread this entire section once more in your recording. Repetition increases time plus fluency. Section 2. Building confidence. Many learners understand English, but they hesitate to speak. I used to feel nervous when speaking English. I was afraid of making mistakes. I worried about my pronunciation. But now I understand something important. Mistakes are teachers. Mistakes help me grow. Mistakes make me better. Confidence is not natural. Confidence is built through practice. When I speak English daily, my fear becomes smaller. My voice becomes stronger. My sentences become smoother. I focus on communication. I focus on clarity. I focus on expressing my ideas. Even if my grammar is not perfect, I can still communicate. Fluency means speaking without stopping too much. Fluency means expressing ideas clearly. Fluency means confidence. Now repeat this affirmation. I speak English clearly. I speak English confidently. I improve every single day. I am becoming fluent. Repeat again with stronger energy. Section 3. Real-life situations. Imagine you are at a job interview. The interviewer asks, "Tell me about yourself." You smile and begin speaking calmly. "My name is Alex. I have experience in customer service. I enjoy working with people. I am responsible and hardworking." Now imagine you are traveling abroad. You walk into a restaurant. You say, "Hello, I would like to order, please." You ask politely, "Could you recommend something popular?" You thank the waiter. You enjoy your meal. Now imagine you are meeting new friends. You say, "Hi, it's nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do?" You listen carefully. You respond naturally. These conversations become easier with practice. Shadowing prepares your brain for real communication. Repeat these scenarios again in a confident tone. Section 4. Advanced Fluency Flow. Fluent speakers do not translate. They think directly in English. When I practice shadowing regularly, my brain adapts to English patterns. I begin to recognize sentence structures naturally. I start forming sentences faster. I respond without long pauses. Pronunciation improves through repetition. Listening improves through exposure. Speaking improves through practice. English becomes automatic. Words come to my mind quickly. Sentences flow naturally. I express opinions clearly. I explain ideas confidently. I participate in discussions comfortably. Every repetition strengthens my fluency. Every session improves my rhythm. Every day builds my confidence. Now speak with stronger pace. Follow the rhythm. Match the speed. Stay consistent. Long repetition. Now we will repeat key fluency sentences multiple times. I am improving every day. I speak English naturally. I communicate clearly and confidently. Practice makes me fluent. Consistency builds confidence. Fluency comes with repetition. I am not afraid to speak. I learn from my mistakes. I think in English. I respond quickly and clearly. Repeat this entire block 3 to 4 times in your recording. Speak slightly slower for better shadowing experience. If you completed this 1-hour session, you are already ahead of many learners. Most people quit after a few minutes, but you stayed. You practiced. You improved. Fluency is not magic. Fluency is daily effort. Come back tomorrow. Repeat this session. Build your confidence step by step. Subscribe to English Easy Learning for more structured practice. Keep speaking. Keep practicing. Keep improving. Your English journey continues.